We start with the standard HTML boilerplate. We include the Tailwind CSS script to handle the sky blue color scheme and layout utilities without writing a single line of custom CSS. We set up the page background with a light sky color to fit the flight theme. We use Flexbox to center the main booking card in the middle of the viewport. This is the input form. We use a CSS grid layout that starts as a single column on mobile but switches to 2 columns on medium screens, MD grid or Cols 2. This keeps the inputs organized and responsive. We add a large call to action button to trigger the search. Below it, we place an empty div with the ID results. This is where the flight ticket details will appear after the JavaScript runs. In the script, the search flights function grabs all the values entered by the user. We get references to every input field so we can use their data to generate the ticket. We perform a quick check to ensure the required fields aren't empty. Then, we simulate a back-end search by generating a random price between $200 and $600. Finally, we render the result. We use JavaScript template literals to inject a new HTML block directly into the page. This creates a card showing the route, details, and the calculated price dynamically.